Welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insights. So today we are going to discuss about the stock price prediction of Britannia for November and December 2021 using some machine learning algorithms. So this is our disclaimer. So these are the contents we are going to discuss today. First we will do the fundamental analysis of Britannia. Then we will see like what our machine learning algorithm predicting for Britannia for next few weeks or few months. And then we will do the manual analysis of Britannia using some charts, indicator and OE and FIA and DIA data. Then this is our introduction to Britannia. So as you know, like Britannia is very famous in India for their biscuits and dairy products. And Britannia is a very large cap company with 86,000 crore market cap, and its current price is around 3,500, and its all-time high was around 4,150. And its stock PE is 54, which is a little bit high, but compared to its peers, it is fine. And this is its quarterly results. So we can see like over the quarters its sales is keep on improving, and it's in a very good shape, and operating profit also is improved, and profit before and after tax is in a very good one, and it's keep on improving. And we can see like over the years its sales is keep on improving over the years, and operating profit as well, and profit before tax, after tax, everything is keep on improving over the years. And Britannia used to give a very good dividend per year as well. So from these data we can identify like Britannia is a very good candidate for short term and long term investments. And over the past 5 years its return over capital also is very good for Britannia. So this is the data we have taken into our algorithm. We have considered data from 2015 Jan 1st onwards till 2021 November 18th. And I have divided this particular close price by 2 compared to this one. So since there was a stock split, 1:2 split was there in October, and that's why we have divided this. Only the close price we have divided, since only this particular close price is used by the algorithm for predicting. And this is the data. So we can see like over past 5 to 7 years Britannia is in a very clear uptrend. So this is our machine learning algorithm predicted for Britannia. So as per algorithm, Britannia may take a support around 3,400 or 3,500 range, because we can identify this is as a support zone, and algorithm is expecting there might be some reversal from this particular point. So if we are taking some risk, we can enter at this price, or if we are doing some safe trade, we can enter above some around 3,800, and we can set our target as this one, like around 4,000, 4,100, and second target we can set around 4,250 or 4,300. So this is one. So we can see like this is a support zone. So our machine learning algorithm expecting some support as in this particular 3,400 or 3,500 range, or as a safe trader we can enter above 3,800, and first target we can set this one, like 4,000 or 4,100, and second target we can set around 4,250 or 300. So this is the daily candlestick chart we have taken from Chartlink. So we can see Britannia is getting like a support zone we can draw by connecting these lows. So we can expect a support around 3,500 or 3,400 in this particular region. And this is a weekly chart we can see. So we can see like whenever Britannia is crossing its previous 2 weeks high, it is doing a very clear uptrend. So currently 2 weeks high is around 3,800. So either we can wait for a few weeks and enter above 3,800, or if any narrowing is happening at this particular point, 3,400 or 500 range, when that narrow channel is broken, we can enter at that particular price. So either we can enter around the 3,400 500 range, or we can wait for a few weeks and enter. and we can then set a target as here around 4000 and the second target as around 4300. And this is our OA data we have taken for Nifty from Opstra for 18th November. So last completed week we can see like the call option sell was much higher than put option sell. So there was a resistance around 18,000, 18,250 and all. So next week we can see what will happen. So and for 25th November expiry data we can see like the call option and put option sell is almost equal, but there was some higher resistance observed at 18,000 and next resistance is there around 18,250 and 18,500. So we are expecting like there might be a consolidation in Nifty, and if Nifty is closing above 18,000, we can expect some better movement. And this is the OA data we have taken for Britannia. So here we can see like around 3,700 and 3,800. There are some resistance now, but as a week passed and as the Britannia stock price is consolidating around 3,500, then we are expecting like this resistance may come down, and as this resistance is crossed, then we can expect some better movement. So as of now, either we can enter around 3,400 500 range, or we can enter above this particular resistance 3,800. And this is FIA and DA net sell we have taken from Opstra. So as we discussed in our previous videos as well, like there was a huge sell happened in October, but in November it was till last week it was better. Like we can see like sell was lesser and buy is better, but in November 18th the sell was much higher than expected, but this might be due to like option closing on 18th November. So next week we can see how Nifty is progressing. And this is a monthly chart, so we can see like there was a very high sell in October, but in November it is showing almost neutral. So next week we are expecting some better movement. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have any recommendations to analyze any stocks, please put in comments. So thank you, have a great day, take care, bye bye.